Hi guys, in this tutorial we'll tell you how to add forum page into your app. The forum page allows your app users to share their ideas and views on a particular issue. Now let's see how to add it. Enter your business name and click on next. Based on your business name, the app will show you some specific categories. If you can't find the appropriate category, click on view more categories. Here you will see the categories. Choose the one that best suits your business. Once done, click on next. Now select an app design as per your choice and click on next. Now let's add the page. Click on view all here and search forum. Click on the page to add it. Here's your forum page name. If you want, you can change it. From here you can change the page icon. If you want, you can select a solid outline icon or image from our library or upload your own custom icon image from this section. Now let's move to the content section. Let's add some questions to your forum page. Click on Add Questions. The forum window will open. Click on Add Questions. The Add Question pop-up window will open. Enter your desired question in the question field. Select the appropriate category. Choose Posted By and click on Save. You can see the question has been successfully added on your forum dashboard. From here you can search the questions by name. If you want, you can sort the questions based on their status, that is active, inactive, or flagged. You can even sort the questions based on their publishing date by selecting the appropriate starting date and end date here. From here you can reset the sorting order. You can even sort the questions through their status from here. Click on Add Questions to add multiple questions. Provide all the required info in the appropriate fields and click on Save. Click on this icon to edit the questions. If you want to view the questions, click here. A pop-up window will open showing the question and the answer will open. From here, you can delete the question. If you want to add answer to the question, click here. Now enter the answer in the available field. Once done, click on Save. Now go to Pending Questions section. Next comes Manage Categories section. From here you can add a new category. We have added a list of popular categories here. From here you can edit the existing category. If you want to delete the category, click here. Next up, General Settings section. Here you will see configuration settings which you can turn on and off as per your needs. Now go to Language Settings. Here you will see all of the alert messages appearing in your forum page. If you want, you can edit them. Next comes CMS pages. Here you can provide terms and conditions and privacy policy for your forum page. Once done, click on Save to update. Now let's move to Page Style and Color Scheme area. From here you can change the page background. If you want, you can select a background image from our library or choose from solid colors or upload your own custom background image. Next comes Advanced Elements customization. From here you can change page elements, color, font style, and font size. Once done, click on Save and Continue. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.